In this video, I am going to give you 11 powerful English sentences to use in the workplace to make you sound more professional, gain respect amongst your co-workers, and increase credibility. So, if you want to improve your knowledge and use of the English language, stay tuned because I am here to help you. And just very quickly, if you are new to my channel, please make sure you hit that subscribe button. I am here to help you progress throughout your career. I can only do that if you are subscribed, and please give the video a like because that tells me you find these tutorials useful, and it also motivates me to create more content for you. Thank you very much indeed. Okay, let's jump straight into the presentation. Okay, let's get started, and I will give you those 11 brilliant English sentences to use in the workplace. I will also tell you what each one means and the type of workplace situation you can use it in. Please take notes. English sentence number 1 is, I'd like to collaborate with you on this project. Now, when you collaborate with someone at work, you work closely with them to achieve a common objective. Now, that objective might be a task or a difficult project. And by saying you want to collaborate with one of your co-workers makes them feel valued, and it also demonstrates your ability to work with other people in your team, which helps build strong working relationships. So an example of using this English sentence in the workplace is when you have to complete a task or project and you choose one of your co-workers to collaborate with. You can say this: I have an important project I need to complete and I'd like to collaborate with you on it. English sentence for the workplace number 2 is, we are on the same page. Now, when you say to your co-workers, we are on the same page, it means you are either thinking the same, have similar ideas about how to complete a task, or how to overcome a difficult problem. So an example of using this English sentence in the workplace is, I think it's important we are all on the same page before we commence this task. Or you can say this: let's discuss the problem before tackling it to ensure we are all on the same page. English sentence for the workplace number 3 is, let's set a deadline. This is a great one. So this is such a powerful English sentence to say in the workplace because it focuses the minds of your co-workers and it demonstrates your desire to achieve great things for your employer. Now, examples of this powerful English sentence in the workplace include, now that we've agreed our plan of action, let's set a deadline. Or, I think it's important we set a deadline because things could get delayed without one. English sentence for the workplace number 4 is, my perspective is. Now, this English sentence is great for people who sometimes lack the confidence to put forward their ideas either in meetings or in team settings. Now, my perspective is tells your co-workers or manager you have an opinion or view and you want to share it. Now, examples of this powerful English sentence to use in the workplace include, I think you have a great idea, but I would like to share with you my perspective. Or you could say this: my perspective is one that's different and I would like to share it with you. English sentence for the workplace number 5 is, let's touch base. Now, the English sentence, let's touch base, is used when you want to briefly catch up or connect with someone to discuss the progress of a workplace task, project, or situation. It's a great phrase to have in your English vocabulary because it means you want your tasks to get completed and you are taking steps to ensure you and your co-workers are being accountable. Now, examples of this powerful English sentence to use in the workplace include, let's touch base in 7 days' time to assess the progress of our project. Or you could say this: I'd like to touch base to find out how things are going. When's convenient for you? English English sentence to use in the workplace number 6 is you're adding value. This is a great one. Now, this English sentence is a brilliant way to complement the work of one of your co-workers. Now, when you say to someone, you're adding value, it makes them feel valued and appreciated, and it can assist in building a strong team bond. Don't overuse this English phrase, but instead use it when you notice one of your co-workers doing positive work that is really making a difference. Now, examples of this powerful English sentence in use in the workplace include, it's great to see you're adding value with the work you're doing there, or you could say this, I love how you're adding value to the team with your contribution. English sentence for the workplace number 7 is, we need to benchmark against our competitors. I love this one. Now, the English word benchmark means you compare your performance to something else, usually something that is done to a very good standard. Now, when you use the word benchmark in the work environment, it instantly tells your co-workers and manager you want to improve things, or at the very least ensure you are doing the best work possible. Examples of this powerful English sentence in the workplace is, we need to benchmark against our competitors to ensure we are doing all we can to be competitive. Or you could say this, if we continue to benchmark against our closest competitors, we can become the market leader. English sentence to use in the workplace number 8 is, I need your advice, or I need the benefit of your experience. Now, the English sentences, I need your advice and I need the benefit of your experience, are underused in the workplace because people are often embarrassed to ask for help or assistance. However, your work colleagues will feel valued and important if you ask them for input or advice. So don't be afraid to use them occasionally in the workplace. And examples of these powerful English sentences in use in the workplace include, I'm working on a project, but I need your advice. Or you could say this, we're working on a project that could really benefit from your experience. English sentence for the workplace number 9 is, knowledge is power. This is a great one. Now, I can remember sitting in a team meeting when someone said we needed to analyze our information more closely to find a solution. Actually, to be precise, this is what they said. Knowledge is power, and if we analyze the information more closely, we can create a better solution for the company. So if you use the English sentence, knowledge is power, in the workplace, it reaffirms the need for your team to make decisions based on evidence and not gut feeling. English sentence for the workplace number 10 is, I look forward to hearing from you soon. Now, this English sentence, especially when used in email conversations, is a gentle reminder to the recipient that you are expecting a response from them. It's a polite and professional way of saying, I am expecting a reply. You can say this in your email. Thank you for giving this matter your attention, and I look forward to hearing from you soon. And English sentence number 11 is, thank you for your time. Now, good manners are diminishing not only in the workplace, but in society as a whole. People expect things from others without a word of thanks, which often results in us feeling unappreciated or demotivated. Now, just by saying to someone, thank you for your time, makes them feel valued, but it also means they will be far more likely to help you again in the future. Use the English sentence, thank you for your time, to build positive relationships with co-workers, customers, managers, and suppliers. Okay, so there's 11 powerful sentences you can use in the workplace to improve your communication skills. Now, if you want to accelerate your learning even further, make sure you click that link right now in the top right-hand corner of the video. Head straight through to my website, passmyinterview.com. You should do that because at some stage in the future, you are are going to have to attend a job interview. And I've created some fantastic English answers to the most difficult interview questions asked. You can download those answers by clicking that link right now in the top right hand corner of the video. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Please give the video a like. That really does motivate me to create more content for you. And don't forget to connect with me on LinkedIn. I have put my LinkedIn link in the description below the video. It's always a pleasure to connect with like-minded professionals such as yourself. Thank you very much for watching, and I wish you all the best in your career. Have a great day.